Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing our first impressions of the Soundcore X600 speaker, and we're going to do some sound test. This is not like a full comparison. This is my first initial impression. Like when you open it up, first get it out, play your first couple of songs. Are you wowed? Are you impressed? Or are you just like, it's a pretty good speaker? Well, I first played some spatial audio from Apple and listened to that, and yeah, I am impressed. If you watch a lot of reviews on this, you talk about the spatial audio, this speaker right here. It has a way to make that vocal sound like it's right in front of you than other speakers. Other speakers can fill the room, that kind of stuff, but this has that quality where it puts you like high fidelity right here, which is a little bit unusual. First to note, if you notice this, it's already dented. I did not do that. That's how it came. So kind of a issue with that. If you're OCD, this is going to bother the heck out of you, that it's always already dented. So this might be going back because this is for a brand new speaker. Used, I understand, but a brand new, it shouldn't be dented. But I'm going to play some stuff from Epidemic Sound, and just to show you right here what I'm playing first. And I'm using the Pocket 3 microphone.
Your eyes tell me that you don't want to leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't want to spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby.
As I look for something else to play, just to show you on here, you have your Bluetooth connection, your power, your spatial audio button here. You hit that to have your spatial audio. Your bass, it boosts, and your up and down volume. And then we'll find out more later on. But those are your first initial buttons. I don't know why you would ever turn these off, but because it just sounds ordinary, but you put these on, it sounds magical.
The sun shining, pink clouds in the sky, and everything is right. Imagine stars lighting up the night, and the shooting stars so vibrant. You have to make a wish. Nothing's ever in your way. Scoring every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday. Life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way? Like you want to, like you want to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, like you want to, like you want to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water. But now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling. Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say.
Well, my first couple songs, I can tell you I am impressed. I mean, I don't know how to put it. It's really clear, and the clarity is extra fine, and it feels like a very, very expensive sounding speaker. Like if this was a $700 speaker, I would understand. And that's saying much for $1.50 right now. It's on sale on Amazon. But the metal construction feels like the old, like the Bose metal. I like the fact back here that we have an aux input. I will plug in my computer probably to this speaker to do it that way versus Bluetooth. Not saying that Bluetooth wouldn't work well, but if you're editing videos, you don't want any type of like delay. And I don't think there will be any delay, but this just kind of makes it clean. I know it's got like water resistance, and I'll bring up all that stuff in another video, how waterproof it is and all the stuff it does when I get more time with it. But I don't see me taking this speaker out like rugged stuff because it feels more of a high quality, even though it's already tinted, that I would leave around the house and listen to music around the house, that kind of stuff, and leave like the other speakers out there that are more rugged that you would take out to the pool and just bounce around and drop and not a big deal and float into the water. This feels more special, and yeah. So that's my first impressions, a little bit of music involved, but there's no doubt that this is a little bit different than most speakers, and you can really feel that clarity up in here with the vocals right in front of your face. So that spatial audio is something special. You can hear some of the clarity from this one. I wanted to play this one before you left.
On my old flame, watching my page, say they miss what I gave them. I'm doing fine now, I feel amazing, I'm out of their range. Keep them guessing when they ask about us.
All right, and first initial impressions of the Soundcore X600. Again, I bought this myself off of Amazon. No one paid me, no one sponsored me, no one gave me the speaker. I just saw some videos about it on YouTube. I was very interested and curious what it sounded like. I'll get some more time with the speaker, and I will revisit what it looks like. We'll get some different audio, some country, all that kind of stuff I can find on Epidemic Sound. So if you're curious in Epidemic Sound, the links are in the description below. Use my link. I get a little bit of credit. No one's done it before yet, so you'd be the first one. But they're a good place to find non-copyright music to add to your videos, and that's the main thing you want to use it for. But some of their tracks are getting good now that you can just listen to on your own if you want to off your app here like this with your speakers or your headphones and all that kind of stuff. All right, that's it for this one, and we'll see you again. I am impressed. Thanks.